They say luxury cruises are a dream on water. But one small mistake can turn that dream into a nightmare. Mistake number 5. Ignoring the muster drill. That boring safety drill everyone skips? It's called the muster drill, and it's literally designed to save your life. If an emergency strikes and you don't know your station, chaos begins. You could face fines, panic, or even be removed from the ship. So next time the announcement starts, don't roll your eyes, pay attention. Because knowing what to do in a crisis isn't optional, it's survival. Mistake number 4. Forgetting to set a spending limit. Cruises feel all-inclusive until you check your final bill. Drinks, Wi-Fi, spa treatments, casino games, all swipe easily, all charge quietly. Many first-timers spend like it's free and cry when checkout hits. Set a daily spending limit or link a prepaid card. Because on a cruise ship, that unlimited vibe can sink your budget faster than a storm. Mistake number 3. Bringing alcohol or restricted items on board. You might think it's just one bottle of champagne. But cruise lines take alcohol and fire safety rules seriously. Bring too much or the wrong thing and it'll be confiscated or worse. You could be denied boarding altogether. Even simple items like irons, candles, or kettles are banned. So pack smart, because outsmarting cruise security never ends well. Mistake number 2. Ignoring dress codes. Cruises aren't just trips, they're floating worlds with their own culture. Formal nights, white parties, tropical dinners, and showing up in shorts can make you feel out of place fast. Luxury cruises often have no jeans after 6 p.m. rules in dining areas. So check your itinerary and pack for every vibe. Because confidence, not clothes, makes you stand out. But the right outfit helps you fit in. Mistake number 1. Being late for boarding or returning late at port stops. This one breaks hearts. When the ship says it leaves at 5 p.m., it leaves at 5 p.m. The captain was not wait. Miss it, and you'll be waving from the dock while your luggage sails away without you. Cruises follow strict global schedules for tides and weather. Always return at least 60 minutes before departure. And remember, ship time isn't always the same as your phone's time. Set your watch, or miss your ship. Avoid these mistakes, and your cruise won't just be a vacation, it'll be a memory that sails with. If you found this helpful, tap the like button, it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more luxury travel secrets and hidden gems from the world's most exclusive. And tell me in the comments, where would you go on your dream cruise?